Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great. Today, I am going to show you something really exciting. My spider plant pot has become super crowded. There are nearly 40 to 50 small spider plants growing together in this one pot. Can you imagine that? From one mother plant, it has created so many babies. So, in this video, I'll show you exactly how to separate them, repot them into individual pots and help them grow faster and healthier. This is a really simple process, but you just have to be a little careful while handling the roots. So stay tuned till the end. I will share some easy tips on how to care for them after replanting too. Take a look at this. You can see how full and packed this pot has become. There are baby spider plants sprouting in every direction. When a spider plant grows like this, all the roots get tangled and compete for nutrients and space. You might notice that the leaves start losing their bright green color or the soil dries out very fast. These are signs that your plant is overcrowded. By separating them, we will give each plant its own space, helping it to grow fresh and lush again. So, if your spider plant also looks like crowded, it's the right time to repot them. Now I'm showing you how to remove the plant from the pot. Hold it by the base and slightly tap the pot from all sides to loosen the soil. Once it's loosened, pull the plant out very slowly. Be gentle. The roots are delicate and can break it if you pull it too hard. Now the plant is out and you can see clearly the root ball and all the tiny spider babies attached around it. It's so satisfying to see how many new plants have grown. I will start separating them one by one. You will notice that some of the babies already have their own roots. These can be planted right away, but some smaller ones might not have roots yet. For those, just keep them in a glass of clean water for a few days. Place them near sunlight and you will see roots forming within a week. Spider plants are one of the easiest house plants to propagate. They grow so fast and strong. By their activity in the soil, earthworms offer many benefits: increased nutrient availability, better drainage, and a more stable soil structure, all of which help improve farm productivity. New Zealand research shows that the worm casts release 4 times more phosphorus than does surface soil. Worms often leave their nutrient-rich crusts in their tunnels, providing a favorable environment for plant root growth. Before we start potting, let's get all the materials ready. I am using gardening soil, coco peat, vermicompost and sand as the mixture. I am using some small pots and drainage system is very important. We need to make some holes in the pot so that the water can go out. If you want, you can also add a layer of small pebbles at the bottom of the pot for better drainage. Now comes the fun part, replanting. Take each small pot and fill it halfway with the soil mix. Place one spider baby in the center and gently spread its roots. Then cover it with more soil up to the base of the leaves. Don't press the soil too tightly. Keep it light and airy so the roots can breathe. After planting, give each pot a gentle watering, just enough to make the soil moist and not soggy. So from one single pot, you can have around 40-50 baby spider plants. You can place them on your balcony, windowsill, or hang them for a beautiful natural look. They grow well in indirect sunlight and need watering just 2 to 3 times a week. Spider plants are also great air purifiers. They remove toxins and make your home environment fresh and healthy. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your plant loving friends, and subscribe for more gardening videos.